Do you want the best for your body and life? Are you driven to eat healthier, feel more energetic, and fulfill your true potential? Take the free quiz. Get 8-week fully customized keto meal plan, plus deliciously easy keto recipes ebook. 100% made for you keto meal plan designed to help you lose fat, boost energy levels, and improve health. This custom meal plan service is for people who want to be in control of their health and well-being. It's for people who want to finally achieve a figure that makes them feel proud when they look in the mirror. It's for people who are driven to fix what's unhealthy, heal what's broken, and improve what's lacking, and who believe that no matter the circumstances, something can always be done about it. These custom meal plans are developed based on the latest scientific research behind nutrition, so you can enhance your health and figure in the fastest and most doable manner. Get all the tools you need to reach your ideal body weight and health goals in an effective, convenient, cost-efficient, and enjoyable manner. So, are you ready to support your figure, health, and well-being with a tailored-to-you keto diet plan? Take the free quiz now by clicking the link in the description below.